So, you want to make money on YouTube, but you've got zero gear, zero capital, and maybe even zero confidence. Good news, you're exactly who this video is for. I'm going to walk you through a complete roadmap to start making money on YouTube, with absolutely no budget. Let's start at the very beginning. Step 1, pick your niche. What are you curious about? Tech reviews, productivity, storytelling, gaming, AI tools? Choose something you'd actually enjoy talking about, because consistency is key. If you don't like it, you'll quit. Still unsure? Try this. Go to YouTube and type in Faceless your topic and see what pops up. Step 2, set up your channel. Your channel name doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it's easy to remember and searchable. Create a basic logo with Canva. It's free. Write a short channel description with keywords around your niche. Step 3, create your first video without showing your face. Yes, it's totally possible. Use free stock video sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Videvo. Use ChatGPT to help you write your script. Then, record a voiceover using your phone, or use free AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Clipchamp, or TTS MP3. Put it all together using CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Both are free and powerful. Step 4, focus on YouTube Shorts to start. Why? Because Shorts are still one of the fastest ways to grow from zero. You don't need perfect editing, you just need value, clarity, and a strong hook. Upload 3 to 4 shorts per week. Use relevant hashtags, titles, and compelling thumbnails. Step 5, how you'll start earning. Once you hit 500 subscribers plus 3 million shorts views in 90 days, you qualify for YouTube's partner program. But don't wait for ads. Start earning earlier with affiliate marketing. Join free programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche affiliate programs. Add product links in your video descriptions. Recommend tools you're already using, like your microphone editing software or even books. Step 6, grow smarter, not harder. Use YouTube Studio Analytics to see what works. Double down on what gets clicks and watch time. Upgrade gradually. Maybe a mic, maybe a better editor, but only when you're ready. And remember, this isn't about going viral, it's about building real value over time. Consistency plus curiosity equals growth. So don't wait for the perfect moment. You've got the internet, free tools, and a voice worth hearing. Start today, with zero capital and unlimited potential.